I used to be the one who never said a mumbling word about the good things you have done. But lately I've been blessed beyond compare. And I've got to let the whole world know just how I came to love you so. You've been better to me than I've been to myself. And Lord, I praise you openly. You've been so good to me. And I want to thank you. I want to thank you. Thank you with my open praise. Hey, baby sugar. You so beautiful. Once upon a time, there was Baby Sugar, Hoshi, Precious, Racer, and Barack. They all lived together with us. And Baby Sugar is the last of that realm of family, furry friends. And I wanted to put Baby Sugar on here so everybody can meet Baby Sugar. She's been with us for a very long time. She is very loving, and what a beautiful white cat. She's just gorgeous. She's loving and just everything you would want for a baby sugar, and that's Baby Sugar. She always makes me smile. Um, I just want to let Baby Sugar know you are loved. You've always been loved. You will always be loved. And even though Hoshi isn't here, Barack's not here, Precious isn't here, Racer isn't here, Gizmo isn't here, it's all right. When they were here, they had their time with us, and now they have time somewhere else. Um, I am a furry friend, owner of 6 cats now, and I love to share when I can. And today is one of those days I wanted to share some footage of Baby Sugar. She's the best. She's the best. Aren't you, Baby Sugar? Ha ha ha. Yeah. And yeah, she's the best. She will eat one of those lollipops right off the stick. There's no licking. She will definitely eat it. But yeah, she's gorgeous, and she's definitely a member of my family. Familia. Thank you, Baby Sugar, for all that you do. Bye for now.